He didn't want to be looked at. She. Haven't fed these guys in a long time. The minute I walked out, what's this one doing? Big fight just broke out. I tried to get it on film. The robins don't like the blue jay here, protecting their nest. He's slithering along like a snake. Blue's back. Oh, where are you? There you are. What did that robin? He's eyeing you. He's got his eye on you. Oh yeah, that was a mean fight. You look handsome. Okay, let's throw this one for Blue. Good bird. Missed it, but came right down. Peace. A happy Memorial Day. Remember, always remember.